Hey, what's going on? Adam Shelton here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is the first day of 2020, and today is the first day you create success for yourself for this year. So right below this video, hit that red subscribe button and don't forget that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos to help you, to inspire you, to grow your business, to go ahead and travel the world, and that's what I do on all these videos. That's my main message, to achieve each every day. Now you know what time it is. This is Adam Shelton, and let's talk about it. Happy New Year's, and let's go ahead and build a business and travel the world. Now when I woke up this morning, my head was hurting. My head was hurting, and my mind was playing tricks on me. And the thing about it was, I could have easily went back to sleep. It's January 1st. My head was hurting, my stomach was hurting a little bit, and I could have easily went back to sleep. But I didn't. You know why? Because I got a dream. I got a dream to help you to create success online. I have a dream to travel the world and go ahead and share my spirit. I have a dream to go ahead and create success for you, and go ahead and create success for so many people. So I'm taking a walk right now because I just feel like moving. You know how you feel like moving and you got so much energy, you just want to move. So anyway, what I'm talking about here is that I want you to create online success. I want you to go ahead and create a business that's going to allow you to fire your boss. It's going to allow you to bring in, an income stream, right? It's gonna allow you to travel the world, and that's what I care about you. So right below this video, I do have a link there. You click on there, and it's my #1 recommendation on building a powerful business, a powerful online business. We've got training there. We have a beautiful community. We're full of support. We have advisors there to help you every step of the way. I'm going to be there to help you as well to create your first commission online. If you have commission already, why not use this as an additional income stream? So let me go back to the story, right? Happy New Year's. First day, create success. Today is the day. You sign up, you wake up, you basically wipe your eyes off, and you go ahead and you start creating success for yourself, because it's so easy to go back to sleep. It's so easy to take the day off. It's so easy to give up. It really is. And I see so many people online, they want success, they want to break through that, that success barrier, but they're not willing to do what it takes. And willing to do what it takes is suspend disbelief. Willing to do what it takes is taking chances, taking those risks, right? This is not a risk. It's building a business for yourself, for people who's been making, 6 figures, 7 figures a year. And we will teach you how you can create success. Results are not typical. I'm not going to tell you when you sign up, you're going to make a bunch of money. I'm going to tell you, you're going to have the opportunity. You're going to discover it. You're going to learn. You're going to see what it takes to be successful, because there's no shortcuts on creating success online or anywhere. Because remember back then when you were in school, they just didn't give you a grade. You have to work hard for that grade. You had to study, you had to ask questions, you had to stay up all night. You have to create that success. Now, when you take the test the next time, it may get a little easier because you've gotten used to the routine. You got used to the up and down and everything like that. So when I'm telling you, yes, January 1st is the first day. We got 364 days left in this year, right? Click on that link below, create success, travel the world. Right now, I'm in Tampa, Florida, beautiful Tampa, Florida, thinking about you. I'm traveling today, and I'm like, my online business is going right now, and I want you to have success as well. You get to travel to cities like Tampa, and I'm getting ready to go back to Daytona. This month, I'm going to go down to Miami. It's awesome. And I want you to travel. I want you to be able to experience, be able to help people out with video, help people out with social media, help people out about traveling and telling your story. Click on that link below, begin telling your story, begin your dream. My #1 recommendation of building a business online and having success for yourself. Click on that link below, and I'll see you on the inside.